Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Quick Trading. So today we are going to see an option strategy which is called short strangle, and let's see how we can implement the short strangle in our streak algorithms, and let the algorithm handle the profit booking, adjustments, stop loss, whatever, all the things. So before going there, let us see what is short strangle and how we can implement it. If you already know the short strangle, many people already know the short strangle, so you can directly go to the algo and see the algorithm itself. If not, just have a quick discussion on what is short strangle and how we can use it for regular income. This can be used for regular income. So I selected Nifty options, current week expiry, and then sell. Let's see the option chain. So what is short triangle? We need to sell the OTM calls and OTM puts. So currently Nifty is running around 15,750. What we need to do? Spot is in 15,700. Around 15,700 Nifty is running. So what we need to do? We need to sell puts which is out of money. For example, I will select any 15,250 put to sell. If by the expiry, if Nifty doesn't come down below 15,250, this value becomes 0 and will be in profit. Similarly, we need to go to calls and we need to sell, for example, 16,000 call. So if 16,000, if Nifty doesn't cross 16,000 by expiry, this value becomes 0 and will be in profit. Okay. So but if we sell this week expiry, the premiums are very less. Like if you see here, the premiums are less. Instead what we do, we'll select the next week expiry, and in next week expiry, from the current spot price we'll move down some n number of contracts and sell the puts. Similarly, we'll move n number of contracts and sell the calls. So for example, from here we'll move down 9 contracts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, around 250. This one I'm going to sell one lot, add position P. Similarly, from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, around this one will sell, add to the position. So if you see, this is how our payout graph looks like. So if Nifty close in between this range, will be in profit of 4,000. Okay, but this requires a bit huge margin because we are doing only selling, naked selling on both sides. There is no buy that we did which makes higher end contract, but we are just using short strangle. So this is the strategy. So let us implement this in our streak algorithm, and if the movement happens in one side or if movement is happening, then how it can adjust, we'll see there itself. Okay, hope you got the strategy. If not, there are many number of videos that are available for short strangle in Nifty or Bank Nifty. You can go through it. So let us quickly go to the algo and see how we can implement. So here we are going to select Nifty 50 indices. Okay, Nifty 50 indices CE. So what we thought, from current spot price to 9, this is offset is like from current spot to how many strikes away offset you want to sell. For example, 9 I have selected. What we discussed, instead of current we'll see the next week. Instead of monthly, we need to select month. What we need to do, short, not the long. Long is nothing but buy. Okay, done. Along with this, we also need to sell the put. Instead of CE, I selected PE. For PE, we need to select -9 because from the current to backwards, which is -9. Next week, monthly, weekly, long to short, done. 5 minutes I have selected. Now this doesn't matter because since we selected this short here, it will override this parameter, so it doesn't matter. I give the 1 or 2 contracts you can give based on your capital. And what I have written here, nth candle close 5 minutes, so which means it will enter at 9:25. Close 5 minutes, nth candle means first candle after 5 minutes candle closure, which is 9:15 market will start, 9:25 sorry, 9:25 higher than 0, which means by default by the 9:25 time please enter. And we are also mentioning close higher than 5. Here what does it means is at least premium needs to be more than 5, otherwise it doesn't matter. Okay, along with this, we don't want to do this strategy, enter this strategy on Thursday. So because I observed this, instead of doing on Thursdays, let's enter on Fridays 9:25 around, so that you may not be in much gap. You may avoid some failures or some losses. Okay, so candle time, what I did, 1, 2, 3 and 5. I skipped 4, which is Thursday. So this means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday this strategy can enter. So here we need to give huge stop loss, because due to gap downs we might see that premiums become very huge, but it slowly cools down when the market settles, or when market move back from the gap down or something like that. So if it doesn't come to that 200, we need to give much space to it. Okay, 200, and whenever we hit 30% target, let's exit from that, and this is like for adjustments. So whenever it hit 30% profit, let exit and enter the new contract from the current offset to new contract, whether it's a CE or PE. Okay, Nifty Strangle I named it. Let us back test. Hope you got the strategy details. Same thing whatever we discussed in the graph, same thing we are going to implement. Now if you see, there are 103 calls, 95 on wins and only 8 losses, 26 winning streak, losing streak. I hope you already seen my last video, which we discussed on how to use these winning streaks and losing streaks. Similarly, make sure you can make use of this losing streak just to increase the quantity if you want to increase the quantity. Okay, if you see what it did, it simply, whenever, for example, on 18th, it and on 9:15 it entered 16,200 CE. Okay, and then 12 o'clock this 23 becomes 16 rupees, so it exited with the target price. Okay, and then on 12:05 again it entered from the current offset, which is 16,000. Instead of 16,000 it moved to 16,000. This is the adjustment that will do by itself. So if you test this strategy for even for 1 year, it will work. I mean, there are chances that in one leg you might get a loss, but for sure other leg will be in profit, because market may move in one direction, but still you might booking the profits in one direction, right? So it doesn't matter. Let's backtest if you want. Like for example, January I gave, so it will automatically adjust to 3 months, since this is only 5 minutes candle. So let us see, there are chances of failures if market moves in one direction. Short triangle may not work, but still it will work here, because the adjustment is doing by the system itself. So here if you see, here in CE there is a loss that was booked, okay, around 17,000, but if you see, there is a 32,000 profit that was booked in PEs. So it doesn't matter, whatever the market moves in any direction, it is keep on booking the stop losses and targets, and the only thing is you need to be strong enough and believe the system that was there. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching. In our next video, I am going to discuss a new buying strategy which requires a very less capital and maybe more profitable. Let's see. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.